I will show you this one. This one you can see before. This one, this is very big. You can see this is just slider is very big. Why is very big? Yeah. Why is very big? Are you some customer interested in this one? Yeah, told me. You if you're not interested, I will change the products. This is our older one. This is our new one. Why is very big? Why is very big? It's clear. It's clear. It's clear.
Sky say.
Yeah. What is this? What is this? Somebody know this one? Somebody know this one? What is this?
Yeah.
Can you see that? What's this?
效果非常好。
What's this?
Hello Anna 吗
Anna.
Every. Hello Ellie.
Can you see that? Somebody tell me what is this? Please tell me. Do you know this one?
New item.
Do you know this one? Everybody sleep? Everybody sleep? No answer me. No answer me. Yeah, this sample today is free. Yeah, thank you your email. Thank you your email. This is our last time live.
You from India?
Anna, are you for India? No, for China.
I'm from China. I'm Chinese.
Yeah, the Chinese.
I'm Chinese, okay?
I'm for India. Maybe I change the face.
Yeah, I'm white. I'm not from India. I'm from China, okay?
Oh, you push up and soft close.
Yes,
Oh.
I know this item.
Ali, you are professional. You are first one answer my questions. You are good. You are professional man. I need talking one by one. Okay, talking about this one by one. Yeah, we will contact later. Yeah, we'll continue later. Yeah, call the number. Okay, no problem. Just like sure, this is just slider. What special? Ali know this. Ali know what's this. Ali know this one. What special? This is a normal type. Just some people we can make this one. Yeah. This is a soft. You think soft concealed slide.
Yes.
Yeah, concealed slider. Always best to sell this one. But this one is a soft close and push open together. Push open, soft together. No need handle, only touch. This is loading weight is 25 kilo. 25 kilo. Yeah, you can see this is 6 tons. Very difficult. They're very difficult. It's something. It's difficult. Make the model. Yes. Maybe next time I will show you how can use the cabinet. And then we have the video in the Facebook. You can find Temax draw slider in Facebook. You can see the video. Next time, because today time not enough, right? Today the time is not enough. Maybe we will 10 minutes is close, finish. 10 minutes close. If you want to the sample, you can tell us. Today the frame sample is for you. Yeah, because support each other. I support you. Now, maybe next time you support me. This is special time. Okay, who is interested in this one? Today only one cent sample. Today is one cent sample. If you finish the sample close. Only one sample. If you're interested, you can tell us. Interested in this slider, you can tell us here. If you're interested in here, only 1 cent sample is for you. Only today. Only one sample is for you today. Only 10 minutes. It's too heavy, you know. This is 1 cent, maybe 2 kilo. Yes, this is special one. Next time I will show you clear the cabinet and the furniture. Yeah, because today the time is not enough. I not more time showed here. Yeah, not more time showed here. So who is interested in this one? Who is in this one? Yeah, only 1 cent sample today. Only 1 cent sample.